Time for this morning's Show Me the Money. Healthcare is a major financial issue in this country. But did you ever stop to think about just how much it actually costs you? The results of a new study may surprise you.
When it comes to getting a grip on how much healthcare is likely to cost us in the future, we are wildly underestimating those costs.
Financial expert Jean Chatzky has seen the numbers, and they are eye-opening. Over the course of a lifetime, the average American will spend $320,000 in unreimbursed health care costs, and that figure is for people who have insurance. For those who don't, that number jumps to $700,000 in unreimbursed health care costs.
And the problem with this is that people have no idea what these costs are likely to be, and B, when they get hit with some sort of a medical procedure or a medical event, instead of dealing with it, they're just putting it off. And we all know that when you put things off in the medical world, they get much worse and much more expensive down the line.
The survey showed people thought they were spending $850 a year on healthcare costs, when in reality their actual expenses were closer to $2,000. These out-of-pocket expenses for those who have insurance includes premiums, co-pays, and prescriptions. It does not include costs for chronic conditions or long-term care. In fact, many people are unprepared for these expenses, not saving for them.
You think about college, you think about retirement, you think about buying your first home. We save and invest for all of those things, but in fact, people are not saving for these healthcare costs. They're not putting money aside. 4 out of 5 people tell us they don't have a separate account, separate savings account for these needs. They absolutely should.
Jean says you need to plan now for those unexpected medical costs.
Access the solutions that you might have available to you, a health savings account, a flexible spending account, and the ability to finance these things.
What would you say the big takeaway of all of this is?
I think the big takeaway is healthcare is an expense that is more on you than it has ever been in the past. The cost has shifted from the employer to the consumer. You better get prepared.
And one way to do that is by doing your research. Know how much medical procedures cost and have conversations with medical professionals about payment solutions. For more information on all of this, and to read the full study for yourself, just check out the Show Me the Money page at abc27.com.